So now that you've downloaded the Instagram app to your Apple device, we're ready to sign up for an account if needed. You'll open it up and you'll see that you have a couple options. You can log in using your phone number, username, or email if you've already created an account. You could also use a Facebook account to log into Instagram. Or if we need to sign up for a new account, we'll just click sign up. What we need to do in order to create your account, you can use an email or a phone number. For this purpose, we're going to use our phone number. And what will happen is it's going to send us a confirmation code either to your phone or your email, whichever you're using to sign up. Once you receive that code, which should be fairly quick, we're going to enter the 6-digit code in to verify it's really us. I'm going to create my name, Tiffany Elizabeth. This is just an identification. We're going to create a password. I see it as I'm typing it in here, but you probably won't for security purposes. When you're finished, click next. We're going to add our birthday only because, first of all, Instagram needs to know that you're of the legal age to use this app. Secondly, if you get locked out of the account and need to confirm that it's you, this is another way you can do that. So you just scroll around here to find your birth date and click next. Now Instagram has created what we call a username for me. They've created Tiffany Elizabeth 440. Why? I have no idea. But I don't want that name. I'm going to change my username. And it tells me with this green arrow here that that username is available. But if I just wanted Tiffany Elizabeth, sorry, but out of the millions of users on Instagram, there already is a Tiffany Elizabeth. But what if I wanted to be Tiffany Elizabeth 1237? Nope, nobody has that. I'm in luck. So we're going to hit next. Now what Instagram is going to do, it's going to ask if you'd like to connect to Facebook in order to find friends from there. So if you have a Facebook account, you can connect it here. It will show you everybody on Facebook that's also on Instagram, so you can follow them here. But for now, we'll skip ahead. It's also going to ask you if you want to connect the contacts in the device that you're using. What will happen is it will look for email addresses and phone numbers that match the accounts on Instagram that are also using this. So it's an easy way to find your friends and family that are already on Instagram. But again, we're going to skip. Now here's where you can add a profile photo. You can add one right here from your phone or device. You can take a photo instantaneously, or you can select one from your photo gallery on your device. But for now, we're skipping ahead. So remember, it's telling you that you could here now save your login information on your device so you don't have to keep typing in your password. That's pretty convenient, so we're going to save that. And now it's going to show you a bunch of suggestions of people you can follow. And as you can see, it's mainly celebrities and brands and the people with the most followers. But we'll show you in another video how you can find the people that you would want to be connected to. So you can just hit next. This option here is asking you if you'd like to turn on notifications. So notifications will come to your Apple device immediately if somebody likes a comment or posts something, any activity in your Instagram account. You can turn this off and you'll still be able to see things when you go into your app. And again, it's going to ask you to find people to follow because that's really what it's about. So it's going to keep asking you and reminding you of certain ways that you might be able to find people until you start connecting with them.